YouTube listeners, viewers, bless up. Now we got some drama on the program, and that's it. Yeah, man. So right now we switch part Foota hype and tulox at war right now, people, over this old Jeffrey interview. Now let's be real, and it's no other way but be real, right? What really caused all of this thing, Virgin? Is Jeffrey did have some issue with Foota before this? This someone wanna we want to make sure so we put everything on the table right now. We not take no side, none of that. We just attack the thing straight. Why Jeffrey and Foota hype issue? Before Jeffrey did him say what him say, I remember, when you say what you say, you can't take it back, Alright. Light up my spliff. So people, make sure say wanna smash the like and subscribe. Share the content. Yeah. So you are going now. A man say what him say now. Alright. So Tulax have some question ready to ask this virgin, right? And this is one of the weirdest situation where may I say, boy, you get tricky right now. May I say, this whole thing, I even forget some content, virgin, you get tricky cause if a situation happen with a next person, right? And so that's no different than if you have a radio station, right? The politics, virgin, may I tell you. So such man can forward at the radio station and promote him thing or whatever cause. You see it. Now the thing left from Jeffrey to Tulax, a fish. Cha cha. Now that one is normal. So what them say? We foot hype basically what I say then. You might judge you by your company. People drop it in our comment section. You know what I mean? Cause basically when me see what go on right now, Tulax I say, him rate Foota hype and him disappointed in a Foota hype for even take that road there. You understand? People, you see the thing is right now, content is so valuable right now that when you forward to content and friendship depend all. Nobody see this is why over the podcast, yeah. Some people are gonna love it and some are gonna just hate it because I just the truth we talk around it. Look at now. The party did for forward and then turn it in a fish fry. I mean I say, yo, John, what's that? Such man. Such man are you lick your one chip here, sir. You see me? Cause you have to know, say, brother. Dance all you in, dog. You understand? And you can't blame people for what them think and say. You understand? Especially on a topic like that. You understand? And you know, say, the dancehall community no support them actions there. Them word play there. No really accepted. You understand? So why would you put yourself in that predicament there? And then the behavior, the mannerism while you say what you say. That's what make it more believable, virgin. You understand? Cause them saying a virgin, enough people can't say a thing, But how you say it, You understand? Mm. Now, we see which part Shakin Murray forward and attack a thing. Big up to Shakin Murray. Must spread some knowledge. And I make some people know say when them a show up themselves, whether them a try to be viral, whatever the case is where them a vlog for. Some people just want the views, some people just want the currency. Cause not everybody I make money off of YouTube. Don't get it wrong. But enough people not understand say them a go out of them way and a endanger them own self in order to get them point across. This is the best way to put it. You understand? Is it worth it to endanger yourself? You understand? In a situation where a cause is reaching a dangerous state why people even I think about it or I talk about it, certain things reach to a state where bridging in a normal. Why would you put yourself in a jeopardy just to get a couple of clicks and views? No. The point where Shakin Moria got to right now say no one knows Sir P identity. You understand? Because as you see, it's like an AI voice or something like that, right? And not only that, the people them where I make the content them I put out, whether up on YouTube, TikTok, Facebook, whatever platform, them I show them 95% of them I show them face. You understand? And majority of them I got post from platforms where they have account where them have all of them pictures, everything. So Serpy can do a research by anyone on it basically. And stand up right next to you in a restaurant, in a clothing store, it doesn't matter where. You doesn't know who it is. So that right there so is a freaky situation if you think about this. So if you don't know a person identity. Creepy, It's a creepy. Mm, yeah. That creep you out. If you know say you are got out there a while out I say the most weirdest things. Are some people who know say them not gonna do nothing and them still attack I put themselves in danger. And by now you must see say Sir P have some intelligence. You understand? From what we not listen so far, we can't say we not see cause nobody not see Sir P. Right? And the next thing. Enough people are say them I got track Sir P and all of these things. If Sir P I put out them type of information there, and Sir P, say for instance, we just say hypothetically speaking, say for instance he was in law enforcement. In platform I gotta be protected, brother. So all of these things have to take into consideration. You see me? Mm-hmm. But you can't creep out on yourself like that, Regina. You know? Because you will stand up next to a man and a man will damage your brethren and go back go do a content and say somebody else do it to you. Is it? And not to say him how do that, but he point where the brethren and make us say, it's possible for that can happen and nobody would even know who to point a finger upon. And nobody know who them are this. You understand? Now, people, what are your thoughts on this whole tulox and Foota hype situation? Did Foota hype betray him friend or Foota hype a stand on business and is it the right way Foota hype I go about it where he might use the interview where tulox do to clarify everything while Jeffrey did depend why him would have come up with some things like that. But you have to understand, say you can't make a next man life make you condemn a next person. Cause everybody have them own individual still. Me believe in that. You understand? You can't even two brand two brother cause that the man brother that. Cause everybody have them own mind and them own will for do what them want to do. You see me? And we not accept nobody effort still. We not do that. See me? But people don't creep out on yourself. You see me? in a normal. You see, them turn dancehall in a porn thing. People are dancehall here and a porn hall, a dancehall. Them want turn this thing, yo.